You don't know me, you don't know me, you don't know me, and I'll do whatever I want to, 'cause I'm a psycho, but that's fine though, so you better get out of my way. You keep asking that, I don't need you, don't need you, 'cause I'll be wherever I want to, and what makes you can please say, so you better get out of my way. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing You Don't Own Me by Pale Waves. Alright, so for this song we're going to be using our capo on fret number 4. Originally the song is composed in E major, but I'm going to be doing the more easy tutorial where my capo is on fret number 4 and we're playing it in C, okay? So for the chorus we're playing C. Passing E minor to F, and then we start over, and then we just basically play the same thing all over again. So that's C, and then A minor, E minor, E minor, F, and then we start over, C. Okay, so that's your chorus. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords. You can learn them there and then come back here for your progressions. But if you know the chords, then let's play the verse, okay? So the verse starts off with a, hold on. I missed the song, I put the wrong song. Okay, there we go. You don't own me. Okay, we're back. So we have an F to A minor and then G. Alright, so in order to get that really rockish sound, you want to make sure every strum down comes after a strum up. So it's up, down, 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 to get that, you know, staccato vibe. Okay, so we have. So don't worry too much about where you start. Just know that if you strum down, the next strum is going to be up. So if you start F on an up, then the next strum has to be a down. So F, and then the next is an up. So and just try to strum the top strings only, because that's where we really have that rockish rhythm. This is actually the rhythm guitar, and it doesn't really use the bottom 2 strings that much. That's for the lead. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.